So today I've got actually something that's really kind of fun and exciting. I have a brand new license plate, and I decided to do something a little different. Check this out. Putting on a new license plate is actually really easy. There's a couple of holes right here, and they have to line up. There's a tab right here you tuck it underneath of. You just got to watch out for this light, and that's just 2 screws. So we're gonna get the new one bolted on, and then you can see what I chose. You know, getting a new plate is actually really easy. At least in the state of Utah, they charge you a one-time fee to make the plate, and then you just have to pay a small amount additional in your registration each year. So it's not bad at all. That's pretty awesome. Well, it's all done. So this license plate has some special significance to me. I've chosen this because not only does it look like a Jeep grill, but it's got my birthday right in the middle of it. 11/11. I was born on November 11th. And the funny thing is, my wife was actually born on February 2nd. So 2/2. It's kind of got my wife's birthday in it as well. And our first date was on February 22nd. That's 2 11s. So there's some pretty nice significance in there for me. And of course, it's wrapped up in a Jeep grill, which you can't beat. So what do you think? Would you do a custom license plate on your Jeep? Do you like what I chose? Do you think it's significant enough for me? Should I have done something different? Leave your comments down below, and of course, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and share it if you think it's appropriate. Thanks for watching.